we remain steadfast in our commitment in delivering local news that matters, stories that inspire, enriching the lives of Filipinos in the Philippines and across the globe.
This is your GMA Regional TV. Buong puso para sa Pilipino.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Good morning mga kapuso! Thank God it's Friday! What a great day to end the week. Tungod, today is full of happiness din sa inyong paboritong programa all over Mindanao, ang At Home with GMA Regional TV. We are so privileged this morning dahil live nating makakasama si Miss Multinational 2017, the ever-gorgeous Sophia Senoron. Maayong buntag, Sophia, at welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Sobrang saya namin today kasi kasama ka namin dito sa GMA Jensen Station.
Yeah, I'm super happy to be here, Maayong buntag, Mindanao, and thank you for having me here at Home GMA. And parang first time ko pumunta sa studio nyo dito, so I'm really happy to be able to travel and to be able to see the different parts of Jensen, and lalo na to be able to see you in person finally after all of the Zoom interviews. Parang masaya din talaga mag face-to-face.
We would also like to know if is this your first time na makapunta ba sa Jensen, at what usually comes to your mind ba kapag narinig mo yung General Santos City?
General Santos City, this isn't my first time actually. I've been here a few times before. First thing that comes to mind, syempre, dalawa yun, Manny Pacquiao tsaka tuna. Lagi yung naiisip. Masarap talaga yung tuna here in Jensen. Actually, pagdating nga namin dito, sinasabi ko agad na parang, sana may pasalubong naman kami na. May uwi na tuna. Kasi, yun lang. And I also remember that sobrang beautiful talaga ng landscape dito here in Jensen. On the way nga to the station kanina, sinasabi ko sa mga kasama ko. Kasi I came here like 2 years ago with my friend as well, and she's here with me now as well. Tapos sabi ko, do you remember na parang ang ganda ng mga beaches, ang ganda ng mga places that we went, the food is really good, the seafood is really fresh and really good din. So, yun, nakaka-excite na balik-balikan. Parang, we've only been here for a few hours pa lang, pero parang may mga itinerary na kami na nilook forward to.
At saka, syempre, iba rin sa feeling kapag makakapag-break ka sa heavy traffic sa Metro Manila.
Oo naman,
diba?
of course. Oo nga. When we were driving here the van, yung driver ng van, binavideo niya nga yung habang nagja-drive siya. Tapos parang ngayon lang ako nakakita ng driving video na walang kotse sa harapan namin, tsaka sa side. So, nakakatuwa din. Tapos, syempre, maaliwalas yung view. Parang you can see the horizon, the skies are clear. So, ang sarap sa feeling.
Relaxing.
Beautiful talaga ng Jensen. So, thank you for having me.
Sophia, naging bahagi ka rin ng NCAA Season 98 opening ceremony.
Yeah.
So, how was the experience?
The experience for me, it was very strange kasi I was actually the muse for San Beda way back when in 2015 for their season. That was when I was in first year college. And then I just recently had my graduation rites like a month ago. And then I also became the muse again for San Beda, which is my alma mater. So it feels like I came full circle and parang meant to be siya kahit pa paano, like how it happened. So I'm really happy that I was able to represent my alma mater for this season. And yung mga players kasi na kabatch ko, last playing year din nila. So medyo malapit sa puso ko din yung season na to.
Pwede mo bang ma-share sa amin kung ano yung mga experiences na hindi mo makakalimutan given the fact na alma mater mo yung San Beda at muse ka rin doon?
Marami akong memories. I mean, I was there for 4 years. So I graduated from there. ang dami kong milestones na pinagdaanan while I was still studying. So, yun nga, I did Miss Multinational while I was still in school. Naging artista po ako sa GMA, naging Kapuso artist ako when I was still in San Beda as well. So, there are things like that. The part where ang dami kong milestones pinagdaanan during my stay there. At the same time, may community kasi ako na mga bedista, mga bedans who were there for me, supported me, and that will always be a significant backbone in my career din. So, it's very special.
Napakaganda din sa feeling na nakakatulong, right?
Yeah, of course. Siyempre, parang you're bringing pride to your alma mater as well. So parang when I carry their name, there's a sort of comfort that I have knowing that they have my back. But I feel like I'm also giving back to them and returning their honor the way that, you know, I have a certain demeanor, the way I act outside, it reflects kasi your alma mater. So I think I could say na I'm sure that they're proud of me.
Napaka-proud nila sa'yo at maraming humahanga sa'yo, for sure. Ayan, sa ating pagbabalik, let's talk about your experience naman here sa General Santos City. So, standby lang mo mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang inyong paboritong programa diri sa Mindanao, ang At Home with the GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
And we're back din sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. And we're still here with Miss Multinational 2017, the ever-gorgeous Sophia Senoron. And now let's talk about your experience as one of the judges of Miss General Santos 2022. Kamusta nga ba ang experience at kamusta ang salubong ng mga general sa'yo?
Well, syempre, sobrang nakaka-flatter, nakakataba ng puso yung pagtanggap sa amin ng mga generals dito. At the same time, hindi rin namin first time kasi mag-judge ng Miss Gen San. So, we already had an expectation, may standard na kami kasi sobrang ganda ng unang Miss Gen San na we went to and we attended. The whole production, sabi nga namin na parang this really sets the bar for national pageants. Kasi kung kaya ng regional, dapat kaya ng national mas bongga. Pero parang kinakalabanan na ng regional yung mga national pageants. So that was the mindset arriving here. And then when we were attending Miss Gen San and we were judging it as well, laging na-raise yung bar, laging na-raise yung standard. Parang the generals never want to they never want to disappoint. Parang laging nakaka-overwhelm the amount of effort and the creativity that's put into it. And also, of course, the dedication to Filipino culture din na pinapakita nyo na local designers, local creatives, everything is nakaka-proud na one galing from the generals, two na Filipino tayo, and we can create that type of art and nakaka-appreciate siya. So, lagi naman hindi nakaka-disappoint yung Miss Gen San.
Especially yung ano nila, festival attire, napakaganda.
Yes, of course. Lagi naman yung mga Filipino designers, yung mga local designers talaga, lagi silang nag-up ng level every year. They find new ways to wow the judges. Napakahirap na mag-judge as every year goes by. And last night wasn't an exception. Napakahirap. Pero sobrang nakaka-appreciate na makita in person yung mga that type of art na sinusuot ng mga napakagandang babae din po.
Ayun, as a beauty queen, ano yung mga nilulook forward mo talaga sa ganitong mga event? At syempre, do you also have any message sa mga aspiring beauty queen din tulad mo?
As a fellow beauty queen, now that I've watched so many pageants, nakapag-judge din ako ng maraming pageants, ang pinaka nilulook forward ko talaga is yung output ng mga Filipino creatives. Yung mga nag-events planning, how they're able to put Filipino culture and like integrate it, yung mga designs ng gowns, ang ganda, yung mga costumes, maganda. And also how Filipino women, modern Filipino women, how they carry themselves in the Q&A, given na yun. But now, like, I'm really interested in the design aspect, in the creative aspect, kasi napaka-talented talaga ng mga Filipino. And I think it really shows through the clothes that we wear and all.
I couldn't agree more. Nakaka-proud maging Pilipino.
Nakaka-proud talaga.
Being part of Sparkle, ano ba ang mga role na gusto mo pang gampanan? At syempre, sino ang gusto mong maging leading man?
Grabe naman yung question. Grabe naman yung jump ng subject. Nagulat ako.
Ayan, sino gusto mong maging leading man?
So, yung mga roles naman na gusto ko, I think, right now, I'm turning 23. So, I've been with Sparkle for a few years now, and I feel like they've invested a lot of time and effort to develop my talents as well. So I have more trust in myself. So gusto ko yung mas challenging, gusto ko ma-challenge in a role. Kahit alam ko na mahirap, parang gustong-gusto ko na i-try. Like, I want to try to be a kontrabida, pero syempre, like, I still have a long way to go before I can do roles like that. But yun, I have faith in the training that I've done with Sparkle naman. Pero yun yung mga dream roles ko in the near future pag kaya. Yung sa leading man, di ko sure eh. Di ko pa siya masyado. Parang yung focus ko right now is I really want to be able to work with people I idolize kasi. So like women mostly. So pangarap ko talaga at alam to ng lahat ng mga kapang artista ko sa GMA that I'm such a huge fan of Heart Evangelista. Like I would die for her. She's my idol. And gusto ko talaga siyang maka-work. Lagi kong sinasabi sa mga handlers ko and all na gusto ko talaga siyang maka-work. Tas ayun, she's really my idol. For right now, I'm not really looking for a leading man or wala pa akong maiisip. But more on mga ina-idolize ko. Parang sarap kasi sa feeling din na parang you get to work with people na you look up to, or parang syempre I grew up watching Heart, tapos I feel like at some point parang may mga traits in me na nakuha ko from her, stuff like that. So mga ganun, I'd like to meet and work with people that parang helped me develop the character that I am now.
Pero may crush ka naman sa showbiz.
May crush ba ako sa showbiz?
At
May crush
sino
ba ako sa
yun?
showbiz?
At sino yun?
May crush ba ako? Parang wala eh.
Ayaw lang mag-share.
Parang wala akong crush in showbiz. Sino ba? Siyempre yung mga talagang maging crush mo talaga sila. Like, sila Derek Ramsey, of course. I was able to interview him nga in one interview, tas kilig na kilig ako the entire time. Hindi ako makapag-interview ng maayos kasi kinikilig lang ako. Ang dami kasing mga kapuso heartthrobs na napakahusay din mag-work. And over time, syempre, tinutulungan kami ng Sparkle na to develop our talent. So nakaka-work din namin sila. And doon ko nakikita na ang dami talagang mga kapuso heartthrobs na hardworking, mabait, caring. Pero wala akong crush. I
Pero
got-
anyway, si Derek papunta na dito.
Wag naman ganun. Di
Baka
ako
ma-distract tayo
ready.
dito. Parehas tayo madidistract for
Di
sure.
ako ready eh.
Hello, Derek. Ayan, mga kapuso, standby lang mo dira. Kaysa atong pagbalik, we'll have a quick game. Kasama pa rin si Sophia Senoron. Dito lang sa inyong paboritong programa every morning, ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Muling nagbabalik ang inyong paboritong programa dito sa Mindanao, ang At Home with GMA Regional TV. And we're still here with Miss Multinational 2017, the ever-gorgeous Sophia Senoron. This time, let's have a quick game muna. Ito, handa
Okay.
ka na ba? Siyempre, since you're known sa pagiging witty at well-spoken,
Shucks.
susubukan namin ang talino mo sa Bisaya words. All you need to do is to guess kung anong meaning ng word na yon. So, let's start. Are you ready?
I know, guwapa. Charot.
At yun nga yung first word natin. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng guwapa?
Beautiful. Pretty. Yan.
Just
Yes!
like you.
Thank you. Kaya ako nga alam yung word.
You're so guwapa.
Ikaw din. Ikaw.
Ayan, next, buutan.
Buutan?
Yes.
Oh my God, di ko alam. Papatayin ako ng tatay ko. I can feel it. Di ko alam, buutan.
Sige, i-ano ko na lang.
Sa sentence. Gamit
Sa
mo
sentence.
in a sentence in Bisaya.
Katulad mo, isa kang buutan na babae. So, ganun.
Is it like dalaga?
No. No. Ano siya? Ugali.
Oh, kind?
Yes,
Buutan,
parang
kind,
ganun. Mabait,
nice,
yes.
mabait. Okay. Dalaga pa nga. Mabait na
Buutan,
dalaga.
tulad mo. Alright, next. Tabian.
Diyan, sinong namili ng mga words na to? Parang hindi ko naman siya
Lastly,
naririnig.
tabian.
Tabian?
Ikaw, sort of tabian.
Sort of.
Medyo tabian.
Oh, talkative?
Yes!
I'm not
Ang galing.
talkative.
Ay, hindi ka
Am I talkative?
Yes.
Or hindi naman.
Yung energy, grabe. Ayan, Sophia, message mo na lang sa lahat ng mga supporters mo at syempre sa mga viewers din natin dito sa Mindanao.
Hello po mga kapuso, I'm Sophia Senoron and don't forget to catch me on my social media at syempre sa inaabang-abangan Voltes 5 coming very soon. I can't wait for you guys to be able to watch that. Syempre, you can watch me as well in Pepito Manaloto. That's every Saturdays. Nag-guesting din ako dyan minsan. And of course, coming very soon at by the end of this year, Mano po 3, The Flower Sisters. So sana po masupportan nyo din po ako sa mga shows ko ngayon. And I can't wait to meet more of you mga kapuso sa ibang regionals. Regionals? Sa ibang regional stations. Thank you po!
Ayan, thank you so much, Sophia. For sure, maraming mas na-inspire ngayon this morning sa'yo, lalo na yung mga aspiring beauty queens.
Yay.
Napaka-witty at napakaganda. Thank you for your time. Ayan mga kapuso, makita pagbalik atong episode, pinaagi sa pagbisita sa www.gmaregionaltv.com ug ayaw kalimot nga mag-subscribe sa atong official YouTube channel sa GMA Regional TV. Gikan dinhi sa GMA Jensen Station, ako si Abby Caballero, buong puso para sa Pilipino.